A violin plot is an attractive and informative visualization that effectively depicts the distribution of a variable. In our example, we will use it to compare the distribution of price per square meter of apartments in 3 Polish cities: Krakow, Warsaw, and Wrocław. The basic form of a violin plot is based on a symmetric density plot displayed along a vertical axis. Without delving into statistical intricacies, a density plot can be interpreted as a smoothed version of a histogram and helps indicate where the values of a variable are concentrated. The violin plot can be considered a variant of the box plot, with the difference that the violin plot presents more data. For example, it allows us to quickly see if the distribution of the presented variables is multimodal, meaning that it has more than one dominant value. Now, let's see this visualization technique in action. Go to the Predictive Solutions menu, select Graphs, and then Violin Plot. In the Values field, enter the variable price per square meter, and in the Categories field, enter the variable city. Optionally, you can also add an additional splitting variable. The split variable must have 2 categories. Introducing a splitting variable will divide each violin plot into 2 asymmetric parts. To ensure that the order of cities presented in the plot is not random, we can sort the categories by statistic in the Options window. The cities will be ordered according to the median value of the analyzed scale variable. Additionally, we can check to display the median and the first and third quartiles on the plot. The Points option allows you to indicate whether additional elements in the form of grouped points, dot plot, or individual points for each case should be displayed on the plot. Just like with the box plot, let's add 2 useful measures to our plot. Check the options for median and quartiles, then click OK. You can also set the title and template with a color style of your choice. Let's leave these unchanged in this case. Click OK to generate the plot. We have obtained a plot showing the price per square meter distributions in 3 cities, with the quartile values marked. As we can see, the basic form of a violin plot is based on a symmetric density plot displayed along the vertical axis. The visualization shows the distribution of the entire variable, and at a glance we can see which values occur most frequently and how the overall distribution of the variable looks. The lowest median price per square meter was recorded in Wrocław, and the highest in Warsaw. In terms of the number of observations in the dataset, Warsaw had the most offers, hence the plot for this city is the most substantial. In each city, we can observe that the distributions are skewed, with the most outliers occurring in the upper part of the distribution. In summary, the violin plot is a useful visualization for analyzing data distribution. It presents more information than a box plot and is also simple to interpret. This makes it a very valuable tool in data analysis.